Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to import Google Spreadsheet into Notion. So first, just simply go ahead and go to your Google Spreadsheet and go for the file over here and just simply download and make sure to download it as a CSV file. And after that, once you have done that, just simply go for the Notion. And here on the Notion, just simply click on the three dots on the top right corner and just simply go for the import. And after that, just simply click on yes, continue. And from here, just simply click on CSV over here. And after that, just simply go for the downloads and just simply select the CSV file and click on open. And from here, just simply wait for it to upload. And after that, as you can see, we should be able to import it. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.